Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So now your vehicle has gotten painted, has gotten buffed, and now it's back with the repair technician so he can reassemble the vehicle. So he's gonna take all the proper steps to put your doors back together, your fenders back together, your AC condenser, your radiator, maybe your rear body panel, maybe you got hit in the rear instead of the front, but he's gonna install the parts that need to be bolted on. He's gonna make sure that everything fits appropriately. He's already measured the vehicle to make sure that everything's gonna fit right on the newest technology, the frame machine that measures all the immense important points of your frame and of your unicide repair, your unicide vehicle. And so everything gets built back together, and he tests all the windows, he tests all the lights, he tests all the air conditioning, the equipment and so forth, and installs all your radar systems, make sure everything's connected appropriately. And at that point, it'll move to the next part of the assembly line. And for that information, stay tuned for our next session. Glad to share with you.